Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. This is Bala here. Anyone who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. We are doing a lot more using the scanners and screeners with the charting, so that will provide you a lot of uh, the analysis by using very simple uh, scanners and screeners. Based on that, we are doing some option strategies that was working good and well. So recently we have created a scanner for RSI back below 30, and also we have created a scanner for RSI back above from below, that is 70 crossovers. So that was working nice. So today we didn't get any opportunity on the stock in a RSI positive, right? And yesterday we have created the scanner with, we have mentioned the wrong one in the one week ago, right? So that I have I have changed in my code. I've shared on my Telegram channel already. How many of them watching that scanner? I don't know. So anyone who watched that scanner, so that will provide you such a good result on two stocks that was working better and giving you such a good result. By yesterday, we find out based on this method that is a FSL. I think FSL. Yesterday it forms a FSL that gives me an opportunity by trading with that RSI crossed above the method. So yesterday it is around 172 in the morning whenever the scanner will alert you. Lot of questions arising about the strategy when I took the trade. So whenever the stock which is comes under the scanner, it will be reflected on the scanner's page. So it will be reflected here. So that particular moment that RSI is crossing, maybe it may be happening by 9 or 9:30, 9:40, whatever the time. So what we are creating based on the RSI, so that when the RSI is crossed below or above the level, so it may cross any point of the time during the day. So that particular day the scanner will alert me this stock is crossing below or this stock is crossing above. That point should be the right time. I'm going to focus a trade opportunity on that particular stock. So let's see FSL, which forms a kind of pattern yesterday. That was what reversing from the day recent low. So this is what the recent low on 16th November, and today the stock increased somewhere a little bit higher than previous close is 74.5, and today it will little increase around 178. Based on this, when the RSI is crossed above in the morning itself, around 9:20 9:25 itself, it is happening. When I see the option that 170, that is the recent low should be 167. Let I seen on the stock, that is what 170 call option I focused to take a trade. I taken a 170 call option of FSL yesterday morning. So let I open that how I plan for a trade, but I was not taken a trade on that. So yesterday around 9:39, this is what 16th we have to take a 16th. This is the price around 6.5 in the morning around 9:30. So this is the 9:30 price, and when see that option, yesterday it moved somewhere around 10.5, and today it even higher than 11.4. This is the way where we can filter out the option trade, so we can take it out from the basis of the RSI buy. So it is given under the scanner of RSI buy daily basis. So yesterday I took the position, so that will give you such a great result. 6.5 to 11 rupees, almost near about 80% the premium is increased, right? So that is the one way where we can plan a trade based on this method. Whenever at the what point of the time the RSI crossed above or crossed below, that will be alert by the scanner. And today we have seen the RSI sell. We got in the morning, earlier morning trend, I got the scanner. By opening itself, I got a trend. The trend what started in the morning around somewhere around 79.80. I don't know exact price. So where it is, yeah, 1180 83 is the level where it is trading. If you go for a first 15 minutes, can you see that on the morning? So this is the first candle. So the closing price is 80 1180. When the RSI is back below on daily basis, from the 70. Can you able to see that here? This candle, today's candle, yesterday it has crossed above RSI 70 and today it back below that 70, 69.8. so there is an opportunity by morning itself. Let's see within 15 minutes to get the detailed price deal. So from here on 1180 market coming to the maximum low of 1145. So here I plan trade with I'm going to take a 1200 put option because I'm expecting there is a down in the market. So instead of taking a ATM option, I will plan for a ITM option that may giving you such a great result whenever market moves down. So when I seen that option, that was trading somewhere around 40 rupees in the morning. Let's see trend 2000 put option, sorry 1200 put option, 1200 put option, and let's see in the morning it is trading. This is what today is. It is a 15 minutes time frame. Let's I open with the 5 minutes to get the detailed price. Where you see in the morning it is not trading around 40. When I see it was trading around 40, maybe this one is the 41. Here the price is 41 around 9:30 closing. So I was seeing the stock which is trading around 40, but it was illiquid, but not traded with good volume. Even though it moves to 51, 10 rupees it generated the profit. If you, I will show with my the time intervals. Trend, the put option of 1200 on the 5 minutes interval. Can you see that around here by 9:30 it is trading around 40, 9:35. 40. From there, after that it was trading very slow. So many of times it is not traded. That is what due to the illiquidity, and finally it reached a 51. The large size of this stock trend is around somewhere around to 700, 725. 10 rupees. It's a more than 7,500. It gives you the benefit. So it is not liquid. That is the why I rejected. But there is also movement in that based on the method. The second stock which is generated by Larsen and Toubro, that was happening. When you see that Larsen and Toubro, LNT, that is also broken below that level. So when you go for a daily chart, at this point it triggers. It back below. It is on the same level, but even it is giving you the entry opportunity. I was seen in the morning. It given me an opportunity, but after that it is a very flat, and finally it is ending with the lower. But this is the way where we are planning for a trade. So if you are taking so far out of the money, sorry, so far in the money, so during this moment maybe price less, but it will give you again the profit. If you are, I think it was around happening by 10:30. So if you are checking the 10:30 price, the scanner will give you around 1952. The recent high for the day is 1700 and 980. So 1980. Let's go for a 1980. So I'm going to take the put option. What happened in the put price? Can you see this is also not trading well? Around 10:30. Here the price is today 17th. Yeah, here the price is around 33. And it went up to 41, again it coming down to 33, again it closing by 41. Due to this kind of movement, it coming down, sorry, from this particular day, 10:30 means here I got at the 10:30, somewhere around the price is 1967. The reason I should be 19, so the strike price is okay, and at this moment it have given you some profit. Again this market is slightly moving higher, and the premium is decreasing, and again the market is going down at the closing hours. It will again regain the premium. So these two stocks which is present by this scanner today, LNT and the trend was started by the morning itself. LNT is the middle of the day. I got it because we are using the RSI factor to find out the reversal. Maybe that may be crossing below at any point of the time during the day. So but the scanner will alert you whenever that kind of formation will happening in RSI, that will alert you. So this scanner will provide you such a great opportunity, and today two stocks that is both giving you such a good profit. I'm not expecting bigger profit, small profit using the method, so that will be good enough to take a trade, right? So this is what another system which is providing you a lot of ideas to make good logic. Now, so what I am going to do here, this scanner, whenever any stock will present on this scanner, it will be automatically triggered to my Telegram channel. That I am going to make now. So what are the stock which is during using this method of RSI below 69.8 or RSI crossing above 30.2. So these two scanners, I'm going to link my Telegram channel. That is what a candlesticks pattern traders channel. I'm going to provide you. Make use of this scanner. Will help you. A lot of people are requesting to provide a calls, but I'm not interested to provide a calls in my Telegram. So I will filter out the stock. I will share that the stock screeners on my Telegram channel on the real time. So you will be getting that alert on my Telegram channel. Maybe that may be useful to you all. So I planned for that. If anyone who want to get that, so you can message me and I will share you all the things to you. That's about this video. And again I tell you, I'll play with either you can trade with the futures or equity or options. I'm not suggesting you to trade with this instrument alone. You can do this. Is what the stock filtration at the right time we are finding by the scanners. Okay, so based on that, how I am going to trade, whether trading with equity or futures or options, it depend on you and depend on your risk ability. How to make the stop loss when the RSI is again back above the level or the day high, if it is broken, so we can exit with the trade. Whenever I got a trade opportunity at this point, I will take what is the day high. That day high should I keep my stop loss. Okay, in options day low should be the stop loss for options. That kind if you can manage, so you may be getting more profit on this method. So that I am going to send you alert on my Telegram channel. Thanks for watching, and thank you for subscribing. If you are not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe the channel. If you have even more questions or a doubt, let me ask and let me send you a message in comment box, or you can directly contact through my Telegram or a WhatsApp. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you very much.